And also in today's class, we will look into the reduction to canonical form. So we have a general second degree equation of the form ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. So we have seen what do we mean by canonical form in the last class. So for example, your standard conic will be centered at the origin, and ellipse ആണെങ്കിൽ ഇതായിരിക്കും ellipseന്റെ shape വരിക. So if you have a hyperbola, so this will be the shape. Now when you have a rotation of axis, your shape of ellipse will be something like this. So you will have a all new set of axes instead of the x and y axis. So by suitable transformation, so such a conic can be converted into the standard form. So we will use today we'll see today what are the transformations. അതായത് നമ്മൾ എക്സിനും വൈക്കും പ്രോപ്പർ സബ്സ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂഷൻ കൊടുക്കുമ്പോൾ this can be reduced to a standard conic. Now we will see when do we get parabola, and in which case do we get a hyperbola, and in which case do we get an ellipse. So in today's class we will see the case for parabola. So let the axis be rotated through an angle theta. So the substitution is given by, so the new coordinates are related as, so we will get x equal to x dash cos theta minus y dash sin theta. Then we have y equal to x dash sin theta minus plus y dash cos theta. So if you have an angle of rotation theta, then your equation can be reduced to the standard form by using the substitution x equal to x dash cos theta minus y dash sin theta, and y equal to x dash sin theta minus y dash cos theta. So this general equation will reduce in terms of x dash and y dash, so that will give us the respective conic. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് ഈ transformation use ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ you can identify it as parabola, ellipse or hyperbola. So let us use the substitution in the equation, in the general second degree equation. So this is equation 1. So substituting x and y in equation 1, we get, so we will get a x dash cos theta minus y dash sin theta whole square plus 2h xy, so that is x dash cos theta minus y dash sin theta into x dash sin theta plus y dash cos theta plus b y square, so that is x dash sin theta plus y dash cos theta whole square plus 2g x square, so that is x dash cos theta minus y dash sin theta. Then we have 2fy, so that is x dash sin theta plus y dash cos theta plus c equal to 0. And now collecting the coefficients of, but now convert the equation in the form a x dash square plus 2h x dash y dash plus b y dash square. അപ്പോൾ general formula convert ചെയ്യുക. So let us take the coefficients of x dash square, x dash, y dash square, then x dash, y dash, and then the constant terms. Okay. So that will give x dash in the coefficient another. So from the first term you will have a cos square theta, and from the second term you will have 2h cos theta sin theta, and from the third term b sin square theta. So that's it. That is the coefficient of x dash square. Then 2, then you need to take the coefficient of x dash, y dash. So coefficient of x dash, y dash, that will come only in the second term. E product matra x dash, y dash varullu. That will be 2h. So you will have cos square theta minus sin square theta. Then coefficient of y dash square will be a sin square theta minus 2h sin theta cos theta, then plus d cos square theta. So that will be the coefficient of y dash square. Then coefficient of x dash is the next. So coefficient of, okay, here you will have two more terms will be there. X dash, y dash idinathu varum, e rendu terms il varum. So here you have a correction. So here you will have minus 2h into so upon simplifying we will get so collecting the coefficients of x dash square, you will get a cos square theta plus 2h cos theta sin theta, then plus b square b sin square theta varum. That in the second term you will have 2h cos square theta minus sin square theta. Then you will have plus 2b sin theta cos theta, and this will be 2a ആണ് വരുന്നത്. Okay. So x dash, y dash വരുന്ന terms, this is in this product. ഇത് രണ്ടും വരുന്നത് ഈ രണ്ട് പ്രോഡക്റ്റിലാണ്. ഇവിടെ 2a, so this is minus 2a sin theta cos theta, and here you will have 2b sin theta cos theta. Then x dash ന്റെ coefficient വരുന്നത് 2g cos theta plus 2f sin theta, then y dash minus 2g plus 2f cos theta plus c. So I missed out the coefficient of y dash square. So y dash square and the coefficient varunathu okay, a sin square theta ividunna minus 2h sin theta cos theta, and from here you will get b cos square theta. So that completes our the equation in the standard form. So it is in the form ax dash square plus 2h x dash y dash, then you have b y dash square, then 2g x dash plus 2f y dash plus c. Okay, let me write here equal to 0. So this is our equation. And now നമ്മൾ canonical formula convert ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ, so the first step we have seen in the last class, that is to make the coefficient of x dash y dash 0. So ഇവിടെ we will choose theta such that the coefficient of x dash y dash is equal to 0. So let us choose theta such that coefficient of x dash y dash is 0. So let me call the last equation as equation 2. Okay. So let this be equation 2. Up equation 2 in the other, let us take the value of theta such that the coefficient of x dash y dash is equal to 0. Now let us write the coefficient. So that is 2h cos square theta minus sin square theta. പിന്നെ നമുക്ക് വരുന്നത് 2b sin theta cos theta minus 2a sin theta cos theta is equal to 0. So 2 will cancel off. This is h. This is cos 2 theta plus 2b. Okay, 2 will cancel off. B minus a. Then sin theta cos theta will be that will be sin 2 theta by 2 varum equal to 0. So therefore we will get h equal to negative varum minus of b minus a. So that will be a minus b by 2 sin 2 theta by cos 2 theta. So therefore h is equal to a minus b by 2 tan 2 theta. So therefore we will have tan 2 theta equal to 2h by a minus b. So we need to choose theta such that x dash y dash is 0. This happens when tan 2 theta is equal to 2h by a minus b. So therefore 2 theta will be equal to tan inverse of 2h by a minus b. So therefore theta is equal to 1 by 2 tan inverse of 2h by a minus b. So therefore for this value of theta, the equation will have a 0 coefficient for x dash y dash. So therefore the equation will reduce to form which does not contain x dash y dash. So for this value of theta, equation 2 will reduce to the form. So let me write the coefficients now as capital A. So you'll have capital A x dash square plus second term 0 ana, then capital B y dash square plus 2g x dash plus 2f y dash plus c equal to 0. And now here delta will be now equal to delta നമ്മൾ എഴുതുമ്പോൾ the diagonal entries will be a b c. ഇനി ഇവിടെ വന്നിരുന്നത് രണ്ടും h ആണ്. അപ്പോൾ h ന്റെ പൊസിഷനിൽ 0 വരും. So here you will have g. So in these two places g, and in these two places you will have f. So that will be the value of delta. ഇനി d will be equal to h ന്റെ value 0 ആണ്. So d will become ab and p is equal to a plus b. And now we will see the different cases. അപ്പം delta d value വെച്ചാണ് നമ്മൾ ക്ലാസിഫിക്കേഷൻ ചെയ്തിരുന്നത്. പരാബോളയാണോ എലിപ്സ് ആണോ ഹൈപ്പർബോളയാണോ എന്ന്. So we will look at what is the additional conditions required to form a conic. Okay. So for proper conic, delta must be not equal to 0. Delta not equal to 0 ആയിരിക്കണം. Then d equal to 0, greater than 0, less than 0 വരുമ്പോൾ we will get different conics. So let us first look at the case of parabola. So we have got delta d and p equal to, and p value ni let us see the reduction to parabola. So if So when delta is not equal to 0 but d equal to 0, then the equation, so let me call this equation as equation, okay, not this one, okay, let us call this as 3. So so in this case the equation 1 represents a parabola. Okay. So now let us look at the value of d. But d is equal to ab. Mean d equal to 0 when so d equal to 0 ആണെങ്കിൽ ഇതിനകത്ത് മൂന്ന് കേസ് വരും. ഒന്നെങ്കിൽ രണ്ടും എയും ബിയും 0 ആവും, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ one of them, a can be 0 or b can be 0. So there are three possibilities. So there are three possibilities. So first one is a equal to b equal to 0, and the second case is you have a equal to 0 and b not equal to 0, and third case is when you have a not equal to 0 but b is equal to 0. Now we will look into what is the behavior of the conic in each case. So ഏത് കേസിലാണ് നമുക്ക് പരാബോള കിട്ടുന്നത് നോക്കാം. So when you have case 1. So when you have case 1, so when a equal to b equal to 0, so the equation 3 reduces to, okay, no, let us now go to equation 3. So when a and b are equal to 0, so first let us look at the value of delta. Ni aയും bയും 0 ആവുന്ന കേസിൽ, so delta will become determinant 0 0 g, then you have 0 0 f, then g f c. അപ്പോൾ ഈ കേസിൽ നമ്മൾ determinant എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ determinant will be 0. So here delta is not equal to 0. So therefore you cannot obtain a parabola in that case. So when a and b are equal to 0, delta is no more not equal to 0. So therefore 1 is not possible since delta is equal to 0. Now let us look at the second case. So the first case is not possible. So second case is when a is equal to 0 and b not equal to 0. And again ഇപ്പോൾ നമ്മുടെ delta will be in the form 0 0 g. So 0 b f and g f c വരെ. ഇനി a equal to 0 ആകുന്ന കേസിൽ ഇതായിരിക്കും നമ്മുടെ ഡെൽറ്റ വാല്യൂ. അപ്പോൾ ഈ കേസിൽ g 0 ആയി കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ again delta will become 0. So the case 2, we also need to take g not equal to 0. So in case 2 you have a equal to 0 and b not equal to 0. So delta is not equal to 0 if g not equal to 0. So the equation 3 will reduce to the form, so a 0 out, so you will have b y dash square plus 2g x dash varum plus 2f y dash plus c equal to 0. Now this is a parabola which can be put in the form y square equal to 4x. Okay, ആ ഫോമിലായിരിക്കും വരുന്നത്. കാരണം y ന്റെ നമുക്ക് സ്ക്വയർ കംപ്ലീറ്റ് ചെയ്യാം, ബാക്കി x ലീനിയർ ആയിട്ടാണ്. അപ്പം exactly ആ ഫോമിൽ you have in the form y minus x whole square equal to 4a into x minus k. So this is a parabola where the axis is going to be parallel to the x-axis. അപ്പം x-axisന്റെ parallel ആയിട്ട് വരുന്ന, because it need not be centered at the origin. അപ്പോൾ പരബോളയുടെ ആക്സിസ് x-axisന് parallel ആയിട്ട് വരുന്നതായിരിക്കും. So let us convert it into the standard form by completing the square. So it is a parabola having its axis parallel to the new x-axis. So let us call this as equation 4. Now from 4 you will get, so let us complete the square. So you can write as b y dash square plus 2f by b y dash എന്ന് എഴുതാം. ബാക്കി വരുന്ന ടേംസ് റൈറ്റിലേക്ക് കൊണ്ടുപോകാം. അപ്പോൾ -2g x dash minus c. So now you need to complete the square. അപ്പോൾ y dash square plus 2f by b y dash plus f square by b square ആണ് ആഡ് ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്, സബ്ട്രാക്ട് ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്. ഓക്കെ, so that will be equal to -2g x dash minus c. So you will get b y dash plus f by b whole square, that will be equal to -2g x dash minus c plus f square by b varum. So that will be y dash plus f by b whole square equal to 1 by b into, okay, let me take minus 2g outside. So you will get x dash plus c by 2g minus 2g ആണ് വെളിയിലെടുത്ത്. അപ്പോൾ minus x square by 2bg വരും. So that is y dash plus f by b whole square equal to minus 2g by b x dash plus, so taking the common denominator as 2bg, so you will get bc minus f square. So this is a parabola which is centered at minus bc minus f square by 2bg and minus f by b. So now shifting it to the changing the origin. ഇപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ ട്രാൻസ്ലേഷൻ എടുക്കുക. അപ്പോൾ ഇപ്പോൾ ഒറിജിനിലല്ല ഇത് സെൻറ്റേർഡ് ആയിട്ടുള്ളത്. So taking a translation, you will get the standard equation of the parabola. So changing the origin to, so minus bc minus f square by 2gb minus f by b. So the equation will reduce to, so using a translation, so from the given vertex we are shifting the vertex to the origin. So the equation reduces to the form. So let me write the new coordinates as y double dash. So you get y double dash square equal to minus 2g by b x double dash. So this is the required form. So this is the required canonical form of the equation 1 when you have delta not equal to 0 but when d equal to 0. So it is the canonical form of the equation 1 when you have delta not equal to 0 and d equal to 0. Now this was case 2. So let us look at case 3. ഇനി case 3 നമുക്ക് ഇതുപോലെ തന്നെയാണ് വരുന്നത്. So in case 3 we have delta not equal to 0 and b equal to 0. Okay. And delta will be not equal to 0 if f has to be not equal to 0. അല്ലെങ്കിൽ നമ്മൾ ആ മാട്രിക്സ് നോക്കിയാൽ മതി ഡിയുടെ മാട്രിക്സിൽ ഓക്കെ ഓൾറെഡി ഓക്കെ അപ്പം നമ്മൾ കേസ് 2 എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ ബി ഈക്വൽ ടു 0 ആകും. സോ ബി ഈക്വൽ ടു 0 ആകുമ്പോൾ എഫും 0 ആയി കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ എൻറ്റയർ row 0 ആവും. So the whole determinant will be 0, but delta cannot be 0. So f is not equal to 0 in this case. Okay. So here f has to be equal to 0. Then equation reduces to the form. So you will get a x dash square plus 2g x dash plus 2f y dash plus c equal to 0. Now this is in the form. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ റെഡ്യൂസ് ചെയ്ത് കഴിയുമ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് കിട്ടാൻ പോകുന്ന എക്സ് ഡാഷ് സ്ക്വയർ ഈക്വൽ ടു മൈനസ് 4by ഫോമിലായിരിക്കും കിട്ടുക. Then instead of the vertex will not be the origin, vertex വേറെ പോയിന്റ് ആയിരിക്കും. So let us write the simplified version. So it is a parabola. So the axis of the parabola will be now parallel to the y-axis. So it is a parabola with axis parallel to y-axis. Okay. So the equation can be put in the form. So when you complete the square, you are going to get in the form x dash plus g by a whole square equal to minus 2f by a, y dash plus ca minus g square by 2f a there. And now changing the vertex to the origin. So changing the origin to minus g by a and minus ca minus g square by 2fa. The equation reduces to, so we will get in the form x double dash square equal to minus 2f by a y double dash. So it is the required canonical form. So we have seen the canonical form of two types. So ആദ്യം നമ്മൾ കണ്ട y dash equal to 4a x formula, then x double dash equal to some 4b y double dash formula, y double dash square x double dash square. So this is how we obtain a parabola. Okay. So let us conclude what we have seen. So the first case 1 was a equal to b equal to 0. Now when a equal to b equal to 0, when you look at the original equation, so we are going to get in the form 2gx dash plus 2f y dash plus c equal to 0, so which represents a line. So if a equal to b equal to 0, the equation will represent a line. And again, if a equal to g equal to 0 and b not equal to 0, then we are going to get dy dash square plus 2f y dash plus c equal to 0, and